Here's some fun facts about baby boomers, and this is through a number of different resources that we will link to. 50% of boomers are cash buyers, and you know that probably just experientially from your work, particularly with relocating boomers. Yet the stereotype is they've been in their previous home for a long time. They've accumulated a lot of equity in that. They're selling it. They're taking that equity. They're rolling it into the purchase of what will be probably their last major home purchase of their lives. And then they're using that as a competitive weapon to win if they're in a multiple offer situation. The other interesting thing on this is the median distance that people move. Now, hang with me here for just a second. Historically, and this is not just boomer related, this is for all, how would I describe this? Repeat buyers. So this is not a first-time buyer number. This is their second, third, however many home that they bought. So for the repeat buyer of any age, historically, the median distance they have moved has been 10 to 15 miles. That's taking into account people who are moving across town and people who are moving across country. Over the past 2 years, that number has grown significantly, and it is largely due to relocating boomers and to a lesser extent, major corporate job relocations. Let's stick with the boomers though. So you've got 50 miles, you got 90 miles, and then 25% of buyers moving 450. So here's what that means. Of all buyers, the median distance they moved when they bought in the past 2 years has been 50 miles. For repeat buyers, the median distance is 90 miles. Now keep in mind, this number historically is 10 to 15. And then for those buyers, 25% of all buyers moved more than 450 miles. Now you already know, and I just want to connect this dot for you. If the next 5 to 10 years, a large segment of our economy, real estate economy, is going to be shaped by boomers who are moving from other parts of the country and bringing their cash with them. If your business right now does not have a lead generation and marketing pillar for that, you are losing ground by the minute. As you get into Q4, as you get into 2024, as you think about your business 5+ years into the future, this has got to be an area that you're playing. The numbers are too strong in this. There's 70 million plus or minus boomers in this country right now, and most of them are in this phase where they're making their last real estate related decisions. Great long-term trend here. You can check out a lot of resources that we've built for you at MiddletonEliteCoaching.com. And if you're interested in learning more about what we do, you can find us there.